Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have this computer here. It's from 7 Series, and if you notice here is DME MSD 85.0. There is 85.1. This 85.0. Okay. If you notice here, we're using AutoHex. And the customer say he went to the dealer, and the dealer, this computer is already open. You see here, it's already opened. The dealer say there is no communication with the engine computer, car cranking, no start. It could be the problem. I don't know. But he asked me, is there any way I can get a used computer and you program it for me? And I say yes. But just to make it easy, this computer here is working for a lot of different cars. So it could be the same part number, but for a different car. But if you are able to get the same part number with the same, like everything have to be the same, it's more better. Why? Because you don't need to reprogram, you don't need to clone. If it's the same part number, everything same from another car, you're gonna clone it. But for this, from the same car, same part number, we are going to take only one thing. We're gonna leave all the software as it is, because it's coming from the same year model car. We are only going to take the password. The password is a secret code that being shared between computers and the CAS module. You see this CAS module here, CAS car accessory system. Inside here there is this one is bare, it doesn't work, but this one here, they're sharing information, the same information. You can get it here. If you are not able to communicate with the computer, then you need a CAS module. Right now, I am going to try to read the information. If I'm able to get the ISN number from this computer, I will write it back into this one. So the communication line is CAN high, CAN low, and one power here, one power here. Ground is the bottom, and the power is the one that in the top. The same thing, you're going to do that. So what am I going to use? I'm going AutoHex platform. I will click here on AutoHex. I'm going to wait a little bit. Be sure that you give external power with the approved AutoHex hex adapter. And now you're going to wait. It will pop up, and you come here on the left side. You click OK, and now you have 13 volt here. Do you want to do it on coding programming or on bench? I'm just going to go here, and in here go to on bench MSD 80 ISN. Here you have three options. Okay, MSD 80, 85, 87, 90. So I'm going to use 85. So I'm going to click here or go to second one. Now the good news, he give us the information here. One, like only power and ground and CAN high, CAN low. So I'm going to say next. Here I need to see if I will be able to read the DMA SK secret code or something. I'm going to go to read. I'm going to start reading it. It's going to take some time, communicate, which is good news. We are here. We are able to read the ISN. It's ending with 22B, and I will save it. On the BMW files, you see this is a VIN number, CY61153. Okay. I gotta write down a name. My friend will know it.
Robin,
Yeah.
Robin,
Yes.
the building.
Okay.
He tell me he want the time with that water pump, so that's like a cheaper one, but he say one.
So if you notice here, I just put footwell module because it's not, but the owner of this car, when he contact me, I thought that two people called me together, so one of them he have footwell module, so I thought that's him. But this is CY61153. That's the VIN number original of the car, and I will save it. Okay, I say yes. Also this one also. I'm gonna save this one. So I saved 2. Now what I'm going to do, I will exit from here, or just leave it like this. I'm going to disconnect this one, and I will try to connect it to the other one. I just need to get help so that when I do it again, I will get the wiring diagram. So we'll leave it here. Stay with us.